Okay, guys. So as you can see here, this is a step-by-step guide. One, two, three, four, step-by-step guide in the middle of building out a standard operating and procedures, along with training material for the company that I currently work for. Um, and this is just one of about 10 I've done today, capturing all of these steps. So once I'm done here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take these links, we're going to share them, and we capture them and home them all in one spot. So that way everybody can find them, use them for training, and then also as a place for references, along with signing off, saying that they have been trained on these steps according to our standards. So that way there is an accountability factor there as well. Um, and this is just one of the many things that I do when it comes to assisting, being a virtual assistant, or even doing standard operating and procedures writing or SOP writing um, as well. So just something that I wanted to show off and what I've got going on over here.